welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of serverless computing. We'll explore what serverless computing is, its advantages, and how it allows developers to focus on code without worrying about infrastructure management. We'll also provide examples using popular serverless platforms like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions. So let's get started. Serverless computing is a paradigm that enables developers to build and run applications without the need to manage or provision servers or infrastructure. It allows you to focus solely on writing code and delivering value to your users. One of the key advantages of serverless computing is its scalability. With serverless platforms such as AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, Google Cloud Functions, your applications automatically scale based on incoming requests. This means you don't have to worry about provisioning and managing servers to handle spikes in traffic. The platform takes care of scaling resources up or down as needed. Another benefit of serverless computing is cost savings. Traditional server based deployments often require you to provision resources based on peak loads, resulting in idle time and wasted costs during periods of low demand. With serverless, you only pay for the actual execution time of your functions or code, which can lead to significant cost savings, especially for applications with variable workloads. Serverless computing reduces operational complexity. Infrastructure management tasks such as patching operating systems or managing server resources are abstracted away. This allows developers to focus on writing code and delivering businesses uh, value instead of getting bogged down by infrastructure related tasks. So their main focus is to deliver the business value and they don't have to be worried about infrastructure related tasks. Let's take a closer look at popular serverless platforms such as AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions. AWS Lambda is Amazon Web Services serverless computing platform. With Lambda, you can write your code in languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java, and AWS handles the execution environment, scalability, and availability. Lambda supports event driven programming, making it easy to trigger your functions in response to events from other AWS services or custom triggers. Azure Functions, on the other hand, is Microsoft Azure serverless compute offering. It allows you to build event driven functions using various programming languages like C Sharp, JavaScript, or Python. Azure Functions seamlessly integrate with other Azure services, enabling you to easily create serverless applications with rich functionality. Google Cloud Functions is Google Cloud Platform's serverless computing solution. It supports multiple programming languages like JavaScript, Python, or Go. Cloud Functions provides Cloud Functions provide a fully managed environment where you can deploy your functions and let Google Cloud handle the scaling, availability, and management of the underlying infrastructure. With serverless platforms like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions, developers can focus on writing code and building applications without worrying about infrastructure management. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into serverless computing and its advantages. By embracing serverless, you can unleash the full potential of cloud development, scale your applications effortlessly, and optimize your costs. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more exciting, informative content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.